I wanted to actually introduce you guys to something I personally like and I have. Now, this is a scope. It comes pretty much in a box like this. If you guys can see, not only that, don't throw the box away, because you also have the hidden compartment here with the additional battery and rechargeable lithium battery, Allen wrench, cleaning cloth, and instructions how to put this together, right? Just make sure that you don't throw this away. It's all hidden in within the base. Now let's take a look at the actual scope. This is the scope. It does have a rail area, so it does give you that extra lift of the actual, away from the actual barrel, away from the actual part of the actual rifle. These rails do tend to actually move every shot, so just make sure you tighten this up nice and neat. And there's two parts of the actual rail part that you have to tighten up, and it's adjustable. This is all adjustable. You can remove it, replace it, add a different rail if you want. Now there's two things that you're going to have to be aware. You have your laser, all right? You got laser, and just be aware that, you know, don't put your eyes near it. And you got your elevation here for your laser, and that's for close quarters, all right? And of course, you got your battery casing in here, and it tells you plus and minus on this part. Now, here on the optical, on the laser, laser on, laser off, and the reticle is up and down here. You actually move it here. So once you set up the battery, you have your laser, and I'm going to show you guys the laser right now. And here it is, the laser. It's kind of a little faded out right now because of my lighting and studio effect, but look at this. You got your laser set up, the reticle. Now when you're going to point this, you can actually physically see the laser through the actual reticle. And then it's now elevation is going to be here for the actual reticle in here, right? And the lighting, if you guys, I'm gonna see if I can show you guys, this is actually to change the tone out, right? And right here is where you actually change it to the right, to the left. Now be careful, because if you change your actual gear, you still have to probably gone to the range and reset this up again. All right, so this has a safety cover here, so you don't have to move it around in case you have it set up for yourself. When the right hand, it's going to increase the lighting of the actual reticle, and the lower is going to decrease it. All right, so that turns it off completely if you want to see battery, but if you want to turn it on, look how red it gets. All right, so that's a perfect thing for if you're out there in the range and you want to save, conserve some battery, you can do that. But another thing is, when you turn it off, the reticle's still there, the target's still there. You don't have to actually have it on to see the scope. It's just faded. That's all it is. The light, what it does, the battery, it just intensifies the actual target point. All right, right here it tells you left and right for the actual zoom in. All right, if you guys can see,